Hello, my darling people. Welcome back again. Happy Christmas. Happy New Year in advance, my people. As they hug. After the month, the saga continue, my people. I think say get where the saga go reach, she go stop for where we move. My people, it don't set between our Edo sister, where they call Queen Osawe Megazowegi, and the social media president, where everybody know as Eddie Murphy and his wife is okay. Idahosa. Not be small matter, not be small gbege as they hot now. I say make I just deliver am today, my people. Make una come hear wetin dey sup for inside social media. Our dear sister Osawomi Azogi don't come reply Eddie Murphy after the video wey Eddie Murphy do. Not be small matter if you see video, my people. The saga, hey. I don't understand. Be like say they waka enter this 2020. Nobody want rest for inside saga. If my people matter too much, it's too much. I beg my people. I use God beg una. May we rest for this saga. Now New Year wants to enter. Christmas, everybody just suffer enter and say begin to cook fried rice. No, say saga the waka they come again. I believe say maybe as this Christmas they come, people go forget about saga. This one now the saga get leg since September. Saga no give space for social media. So my people, I no go too talk for this video. I will just like make una listen to Queen Osawe Megazowegi. Here make una come hear our own talk to Eddie Murphy for inside the video. So I say make I just bring the video for una table. Okay, so before I go release the video, give una my people. I beg if you are just watching for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God will definitely bless you all. For me, to my new subscriber, you all are highly welcome, and to my returnees, may God Almighty bless you in Jesus' name. Amen. So my people, and so we see the matter for today. Queen Osawomi Azogi don't finally reply Queen Eddie Murphy after the video where in do. Not be small matter. And beg if you know how to pray, please pray so that make saga come out. Because I hear one presenter talk say why they only talk say now only Benin people now they do saga. He say go reach Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, any tribe for social media. But then Benin they talk and say Igbina Biomese. You understand? So we pray that God should let peace reign among the Benis. A woman agogoji and meroji. So we pray for peace to reign among us. You understand? So my people, I beg make una carry una anything and make una carry Red Bull. Una take download so that una sit down, come listening to waiting they sup and waiting they happen for inside this video. So I will leave una make una watch the full video. So happy view, guys. Please share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you all and may God bless you. Choose
a chance no tiny be ni ayaki ke uholad ni aya deviate from me no magba. Oh, we pass a message, give me useless message in nyai. Eddie Murphy, go and hide yourself. Yak big boy. Go and hide yourself. Yak big boy, Eddie Murphy. Go work over. Why wanna go kill yourself? Why ti pass a baby message in useless set of people. A product of a leaking condom. Have a cool way, yo. We have a go, where a man have a do go. O me no we ata no we ne ra wa pa yan more ave man ni ba na mi ku ki wa zo we ku wa ku gba keke be no pa ni we dere ni we atemu ni je be pa yan more we na e ra na be abandon we e hu emu we abe press the red dead we my darling press e gi me gu ye ni press e ogogo pa ye na. I love when you are pressing the red dead me we wa press e ni me press e go e obugbegi ti an o La continue nous presse me. Oh well, we me jevian or rovian ye me red dead. I not send anybody. If you like, you press your red dead, go reach Kavashan. It's none of my business. I'm a product of a leaking condo. When I'm Maria Gonera with the Agbe, don't me where I do go one on a dame. It's okay. Eti dame. When no matter your Gonera no yet baby way. E baba bobizwa. When matter your Gonera with the Agbe. I'm aware. Me we do go one on a dame. Iye me no nyak mat yok man some. No man yagwe ya eku. No nyakpa ogati okman some. No manye ogwe ya heku. You don't have manners is okay. When no one where you're gonna be there, but you don't even have respect for the father that gave birth to you. Talk less me where you do you're gonna. Hell, when no wrong pan where you're gonna be there, eh? Oh, wrong pan you're gonna be there. When we were jena we ho you've done for straight already. Oh, moneragi hina, nogi jasena. Nogi condemning where you are no longer my daughter. Eh, me even do I see linear own lily. Yet is a linear old lily, okay. When we jena because you are really a product of a leaking condom. Away your neck away. Your move maybe a product of a that is why they always call you product of a leaking condom. Imashoge man your beer way. Okay, the man your beer way. Isho Omave ana mweko weri. Okay, man your gele be where nek buhere. Why mami ya nike via daneria vederio because we frustrated. Una take word or doga seravi juewa. Una take word do semi hiano. Mada ebe no yaho huahe. Knock be where ye walk be where ye walk, my no ekinohia yamudar. Nonsense. Have a product of a leaking condo. Where ma we ama we ta ave do awe do asiline o yemu we. Meti siline o yemu we ni soken. Because eru we okakpo we yon mori ni. Me ebe do de gbe do atie bono bugbe nu we. Or ye get asibi without. Because eru we ordinary we totally we dagbo here wa no. Ordinary we. You are no longer his father, our daughter. So the message you were passing on my baby. A message you were that from where or my day useful. Any message you know that from where passing. Or my day useful. One the nega or that from where got here bonny me better when me mezeyo. Mene kuni gare, unye to be in but me ma only guyen because it's another year entirely. Me alana. Eru why. Ye kuene abe odafun weni. Umajege ekete kevere wuje. Bed of the same feather that flows together. Uwa eva hu egbe mi. Akpo bibakpo won. Umaje uwa eva. Wadege ni wa mi go a market di mo fi wo kan. A market di mo fi wo kan. A market. Watiki wo wa warige centro kan averi oni. Hi oh oni opabo. Watiki wo wa warige moto ne do kan averi. Oni opabo. Asoma bohien avan boy. Enu wa ya gbe moto ne do kweku. O wa ya avi ogani. O wa avi owo ogani wa nu wa uyoto. Ebo amawe kiase. Obo kan no godi on gba pasabo. Akma fian gbegidi o ya mo yoto. Gagbon were dene nania. Mete we wo wa gbe nori ka gbe nori odo. Gagbon were dene nania. Ude bebe uruarwa bakpu. Ude bebe uruarwa bakpu. Ugbe mogo mieke moko gboji ne bo wayi ne hende nu we na ya gwale me wo we. Uge de passe gbe message ni give me no sa we ngazo we. You can uge de passe gbo ni give me. Enu wario tornado me gogoji. We ga be ave mi go wo ibe ti be do wona ti be so tornado ya we mi no keke mi no ma gogoji no. Mi no ma gogoji no. That is what we the Benin as really looking for. So I pray may you go to the land of Benin Kingdom. Emi no ma gogo yiniki. We ga ti be mu akia mo gboru eseve denedo imasa me you no yata. We igogone. Emi ya na ibe do fo you tori. No. They what can we? Okay, you can pass a rubbish message get here when get the movie. Mo pass a message in again. Ukpa en we yo. Mo pass a message in again, me no we are gonna pass again. Won anu pass again be de agbe. Be no we ka we ukio de ni no vu ene. Nene de no vu na gwan kan. Ovu enu we ka we de anu ni akin. Ovu enu we ni anu ni akin. Ovu enu we ro dan ro vie. E ma ya no ga le lekia. Ovu enu we me ma understand wa. Me ma understand wa. Uga iwe roi ye atato bone bon so agberi ladi. Uga roi atato bone ban. Uso agwe ni anu ni akin. Do vu enu we gwan kan. Ogwa to gwalego. Wa ovu enu ni o mi son ni me wo we. Ego we go alowo boy, you don't love anybody. You don't love anybody. Oh, where to go alowo? You understand me now? Oh, where to go alowo? Yeah, see we para me. You understand? Oh, where to go alowo? Rubbish. Patalo vivani na say wagase vivia yo ye make way ko ene ye make way for ene ye make way ko ene ye wade ni ya nene ye kio de ni ya nene egbe ma de o di mo fi wa won go no we pass gba be message ni ge settling no sa we me ga zo wegi ega me ya go gugu yen go ngbera ni o ma kan me kan she where yin ari o tornado ni awa ko na no mo na buy ticket you go or you know when we lucky go send me okpa where ya ahia na gele ne ya silent oku e ado ataloge dia na ne ya sijo rie ga ahia egi talowo wa me bani egi talowo bi uga pa no dia unyi matosi ya no wa koka ko madere ge ya do azedun o madere Pierre de well my darling well me ma descend we won pion ge wa la meri omo o gbe se na no ana ma bagun emi ni mere na ye ni ki di emi o te ne gbin na ma weti ami ogo ma e wa ni ya na e wo gboriri no o e wa ni ya na e we edo me oriri o ka me oriri gbe edo me oriri o edo ni lebe no edo me oriri o ugboriri ga evaki edo me oriri o me oriri gbe edo me oriri o edo me oriri gbe o edo me oriri o edo me oriri o ugboriri ga evaki edo me oriri o edo me oriri gbe edo me oriri o edo ni lebe no edo me oriri o ugboriri ga no adome oririo ugboriri ga evaki adome oririo agba imi nowo kan gbokon yoge adome oririo adome moriri gbe o adome oririo adome moriri gbe adome oririo agba imi nowo kan gbokon yoge adome oririo no ma ho no ya ho adome oririo ga me oriri gbe adome oririo so no person will tell you that word. May you go ask some question. Me, I not fit put an answer to all those kind useless comments. Me, I not they put an answer to all those useless comments. No. Salogbe, my darling Naomi. Oh, society off wegbe. I will answer any wish I heard say na so. I know they put an answer to all those things. So even no zo be kwa di mofi we no rezo no ya mo siso we yen ki o den no ovi yen ni we ki o den ni we ki o den egbo we na we ye ba e to we ye no go fen o we ye no go cockroach mosquito ikuedon ikuedon o we ye no go ikuedon o we ye no go fen daga no ge no ma ba gbon enoge ihan we enoge be evie ni vie no me swagi no ma bagbon ayi tebe hunwe ma tama we no ma ti iye evanyo zebe gbowe we ma debe ni ya ni ke ya verse we aye area no we gi gati ya ma gizeyo they are there to push you for what you don't expect do ma understand in our time we no support no ya yi we ma idega agbunwa be dene na si ana odo bibi amejeje gugwa eva kete kebere wuje si una tuna a market di mofi a market we yaranti yasahwe the sons and daughters of Benin Kingdom decide not to give you anything again egbe kun weba we give me obioko gbo munia obioko gbo ninu aya deceive we wa mi ti ri ahian we abegeleri ahian mo gogo seve dagbon mena deceive gbo because you humiliation webe mi so you must also go there and do your own cleansing even almost to the anything almost to riwahi no kekuwa na the truth anybody know fear ko almost by hun that is the land of Benin Kingdom almost to by hun because me ma we idolevo nu wahin wa dolevo amenu pu wa dekan area ya dolevo area ya dolevo when you are called yourself idolevo you stand as one. Let it best not to people with anywhere idolevo gele nahe idolevo nezo gege badima umadege uki ogizove kuwa every minute of the day sabame laho legume keti adeyeti Jesu me wa mi dan rejected will be rejected baba rejected baba your revetun salobo abeti ni ka eti aga no pe he rejected will be eti wagide yina na from one problem to another. From one temptation to another, from one nemesis to another, from one uki to another, from one basbos to another, from one basbo to bagbos to another, from one basbos to another. The matter wear suit and he wear agbada, he wear bone straight. All the old matter we una they do for them, he wear bone straight nah. He wear suit, he wear bone straight, he wear everything together. He wear bone straight. Na demofio, they pass useless message con give me, na make me con answer. He with a useless washi ghost. He who we mweti karanti ye ebu we ye mwe na karanti abi karanti ebu we ye mu ye ebu we ye vio ele luru awe milesi okuzebude. Ige shentro ya dele na karanti abi karanti gino abi 6 karanti. Negation tronuri no da fonga mi tornado vi tornado ya de na 40 abi 6 40 ya do di wina no wa da fon wina ni go we ya do a umadege na agbo we fi wa ni agbo takan e do fi wa bai agbo we fi wa ni because okeke ohoema okeke wa orena agbo we fi wa na agbota iwe fi wa bai na madege eke na agbota agbo we mana mawa we jere wa agbota hian we mawa because okunu wa ijabonu wa no wa maye no we ga vigwe yo to ya kon le ranbiri hian anem moto ne do yabo we mewe mi rokpa di mofi that is the oracle we mewe mi rokpa utota ye ba ne wa yabo me ani yabo na area ya we yabo ku ya no we wa we moto ne do efe no we si yo moto ne do gbe area ya we yabo we no yabo we no yabo tota ye ba ne sorry Bedu ya si o balo ye ma be gbo balo ni we o be a ohu o balo ni o kan be a ohu di mo fi nonsense abe gwe a tugari elitan no nya ewe yen kin kun a ugwe wo kan a tugari elitan no nya ewe yen kin kun I me don't know where 1 naira di mo fi I me don't know where 5 euro di mo fi I me don't know where silisian di mo fi I bet you don't know wo kan go I no understand Amana ya gbigwe ni gwewe do rigo na me when I wa rovi me we na nya iwoke reason na rovi me I can't ask you money product of a leaking condo me don't know where go Eddie Murphy, where give me? When I the boy you may go. Give me. Outside no way. Me don't know where one era. Me where one era Eddie Murphy. I be me soaking one era. Nera only nera pay your mori. Where we do all the bawo can do or dafu when the bawo ku neki ane ade no ya me ikbe do sons and daughters go we vani. Matega gwa be dene nana. Erengi agbon if you wa we ne refie bieki. Agbon if you wa va we ne refie mieki. Uwa hihe yo eri organic well wa ido agwe we ni ane ni akin wa de ye kwa wo koro. Abe mi makino wo. Ade ye kwa. We enia organic majo mare gagbu wa be dene na wagbu wa eva rubbish. Uwa tiki wo okeke uhoma. Okeke uhoma. Okeke uhoma. Jealousy. It's good now. If me want even jealous person, the more get money when I want jealous. For a say property, you understand? The more get money when I want jealous. If me want jealous person, I watch on my no we got time on the social media. Ni ana we ni ano ni akin. The more get money when me want jealous. The more now those sons and daughters they give her money now. Now the central when they didn't pass central for inside room for there. Eddie Murphy me go. For Egbe Maria Queen. Eddie Murphy get money. Ask me. I don't understand. If una they say are they jealous, Eddie Murphy get one era. Eddie Murphy not get come up she come way low pass. If not be a those sons and daughters where they give her money, who know Eddie Murphy? All those one not decide. All those one decide not to give Eddie Murphy money again. Oh, yeah, na ya mo ovio kogbo wekene iyo ti en no ko ye Paris. Ovio kogbo ya muna. Iye wa mi wan ye gbe yo ni no wahala. No ya this even I will take you to the land. I will take you to the land. Where ma ohama gbe ko wo riri ma gbe ko we. E ma je bi amba mi jak bori eki. E ma je ba be mu ede. Eminu we ya wo tornado egbe ye kun we yo ti today we gwa lonu we ayo yasin where ye are yo tornado ge ni malerunji niki ofu egbe my darling sabi do person queen you understand e ma teta Mona give me star I get star for this house today Mona give me star Mona give me star, Jerry. I send him a star. One am maragun. Even star of one. Mona send me star. Go me blast eh. Iru we bed me wana. Igbe we fwa me wana do atali ku me yo me ho. Awa. Have a product of a leaking condo. Centregi selling now. God bless you. Wahala be like no one maragbon. Ekpo no carry regidi yo. You know see say you don't shame now. What did they call am? Rokeya. Ni na we ma. Ni na de ma bo ma we gume block e. Egbe ni na Kenya na mi gume block e. Kenya na mi gba we ni na. Vati e. Rokeya nenemi. O ni we na de be berwa ro bakpu. So gume wa block we. Because the massive para another we can blocking or are you go out of here. I wa say progress of work be wa de ye kwa wa koro ku we kisoken wa ho wa mason ave man na ya do yomo nonsense people ave we atu wari later no nya we yen kun ai gwa eva wa ho ne ama we to gwa lo no wa ho ave idiot fellow Abe fully set of people. Abe man, man not frustrating e won tagbo. Abe we, akin abe we ni ane ni akin. Well, you think you look me like who they fear Ipa. Well, look me like who they fear Eddie Murphy, not be Ipa. You look me like who they fear Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy not senior me. Read my lips. Eddie Murphy not senior me. Eddie Murphy never reached 45 years. Eddie Murphy not senior me. Because I they give her respect. You don't do not write that thing for my ear again. Eddie Murphy not senior me. Yes, me tamu wa we betty we better na. Eddie Murphy not senior me for anything. Eddie Murphy never reached 42 years. I be 43. the wage ke determine the mofi ya la we bonu wage determine. The mofi no senior me. Enough is enough. Yezi me metabe deri oni. Edi no senior me. Awokin yen. Alagboti ma yebe ti on. Dede ni so kan gba wonu yezi no kibe wane. Wa wa ti ya we ni anene ki wa lale yan ni san me mi. Edi mofi no senior me. When I do tak me. Edi mofi ma senior o ma die me bo wi o ma die me ba fo o ma die me ba bi ehori. Yezi me meta mo wa be dero ni. O ma die me. So I go marry her, no worry. I'll marry your grandfather, no worry. I'll marry her. No worry, okay? Hey, classic queen, let me hear now. Ote said that way. Happy New Year in advance. You understand? I'll marry your grandfather, no worry. Me grandfather when me equal do deg be do marry na. Okay, 3 days ikbaba be 4 days ikbaba me go kan igba we shuni. So wala I'll come marry your grandfather. Queen Usawe niggas again a smart woman as she see say Iyore but one car size. Oh, wala, oh. Wala, oh. Princess everywhere good in Oga. Ayata ya ask me where the Murphy help. What ye daddy, what a daddy re. Unwe yes the Murphy ye. Dede ni ya la webo, ekbo vi okan ya la webo. Okwe daddy si yo ye nande. Abego, he don't do. Kwedene na pa di Murphy agati e o ma die me bogu o ma die me ba fo ma die me ba bi ehiori mo na de o ma die me e di Murphy never passed 42 years which I senior na e ma sa me you know yata is so con of okan is not 30 years or my ko 30 years ugwa me bagun e di Murphy no senior me for anything so not even go there. Give me the star now, I beg. Give me the star. John Bright. Waga iteme di Murphy nenegbe wone. Ai wa yen kuwa na ma weto gwalo no kuwe. Odo atali kuwa me yo me howiwa. Nonsense. Di Murphy. Wa ati di Murphy ga pa. Rubbish. God bless you, Princess everywhere good, God, for sending me that star. May your pockets never run dry. Man, I'm Princess everywhere good. Ekpo no keri regi diyo. Ave manegbe wone. Wa de ye kwa. Ave diyo fellow, ave kito bide. Ave emi makino owo. Do aku wayo. Go no maro vienye. Aga ekenana anything denu wella here I saw 0 and odeko denu wella the Murphy so bread the breastke we ma la komorokpa we ma love omorokpa me agwere nu we ya saga moto ne do medo renu we to we abori bataba we yale we ma love omorokpa the Murphy you know say you know if you do me anything chan otakwa artist said you no go fit do me anything. Even we ye a nonsense we yatalo we wani o yatalo otakwa ati say you will not do me anything. Re me say we be hen na e hen ga se hen o gbe hen. I beg you John Bright ala ni say hey do no come they make me feel so relaxed. You never send me money. They say you see money when I send for you. La honey said John Bright. You understand? So that is that. If you don't know what it don't matter go me go but you get don't reply. Can you imagine useless audio no try no do a pass it? Na do when it do answer we na because he might back on it carry do ya answer before. egwe ga kiawu egile lebe no miye obo kan no gba ka me no yi ehun ba ogin ba no ogin nika o egwe ga kiawu egile lebe no miye obo kan no gba ka me no yi ehun ba ogin ba no ogin nika o benu wa ivaje na kete kebere wuje ati ekpi yagele ajo wa bo de gbi yan yagiri ati ekpi yagele ajo wa ai ga bu yan de gbi yan yagiri e yagiri abe oki kude na riri abu wai ate wete de bonere o ma bi jo ma pe no ma bude no be na pe ni mi bude a pe ni mi bude ni ago tori owe yi bi ga sisi e wo ko o de nu waje wuwe ni ugbe no ri eka ugbe no ri odo uro bi orun awewe no ti ro mo bi orun gwe ro bi e do ma no we aro bi no kian do gwe ni anu ni akin we no ti mo pe anojo mo nu gwe ro bi e ku gwe ko wo kan do ma nu wa ge ro bi e ba ko ka ko na do gwe ni anu ni akin o ma nu we ga fi pe gere UK no ya maso wo kun gwe maso we ogbe we nya we a princess by Betty Ugana ha eji bogaria na ha we yo a princess by Betty Ugana ha eji bogaria na ha wa wo kan yo I have no ja maso wa wo kan 100% wa no even 90% 100% oja maso wa eva ami dio fellow wa ho wa won princess by Betty to gbuwa wa de ye ko abokoro abe mi makina owo dan wa won no kuro no jila wa hun susu no zahu webu wa ko da no ma wa ma wa ga kiye ke no ma wa ma o ma no le lu wa kan ma mi nwina from one temptation to another we dey yi oni na me we melesi okuzebu de gagnu wa ivave dene nana iso bread the breske from one shame to another from one shame to another from one shame to another gagnu wa ivave dene na iso bread the breske ha aga e manateo na ya na do ya re okin na idu aje mi ati e ya re o jama so mi ha ije me we boja la o boja la agbo wa retene na omo bo mo we ri gba wa omo bo mo we ri wa yo hon ore omo bo mo we ari je me wa taji omo bo mo we wa ga gun ari mi ga gun wa retene na no wo bi osagi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro no wo bi osamegi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro no we kunigi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro no we kunigi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro no wo sawe vengazo wegegi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro no we kunigi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro na we kuni megi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro na we kuni yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro na wo bio sagi yo we ga kinzagodo keve wibaro na we kuni megi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro na wo bisa we megazo we gegi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro na wabio sagi yo uga kinzagodo keve wibaro na wabia ga no pegi yo wega kinzagodo keve wibaro iguma agbeyeme iguma agbeyeme if I don't try, I go write the name down. Na Eddie Murphy Eddie Murphy we had to see me visit. Enye gale ogbenye gale ya kama we na ya gia bomb no ma ve hen se ko work owo kan we no frustrate neni o ma immigration throw ona we ekun ni we preset by betting ya gi message ge wa de ye ko awokoro wa ya pete no ru wa gbe wa ke apogo ma be wa ya pete no ru wa gbe because I sent everything in ya no wasi mugboto inu wa kokako or you wa jana I sent everything ne venu wasi viviere yagbe ya segbe no sent son wasi eveyo egbereje boy I send your all wa popona because we may an apology no your honey o we ne gbikin ai I saw you hu of your honey to gbu we na unwo bi okani o ze faru anwe na unwo bi okani no zo ge popo o ze faru anwe down no kiro no jilaba product of a leaking condom we do agwan those that matter na we gwan we do agwan we ba nonsense ade ye kwa wokoro we ga gmu wa be dene nana ebi na ugwa mase wa gwa ta you the man I wish you not pass me message hey na say don't go make way for this one who tell you na no ni ari tornado me le roji we de agbe no ri tornado na we mi ya solve le roji we de agbe but ade mo fi wo we okay ati from solution we no we man ati me solution egbu we wo wo kan me solution ni won we to we ye me gbe kin ayi we man solution egbu we na we man me na ya wo we he we me solution egbu we ni aya lwe ni elobu we no ana we ni to bi wa ri tornado eri wa mi ose auto boy ari tornado go ni elobu we ihe gi go wo gwalo wo boy so eyi meme gbekin ai we ne yobo no we ye ne do state you are just a nobody as far as me is concerned the Murphy you are just a nobody in the land of Benin Kingdom as far as me is concerned you are a nobody. E matter ama be hegbo ma bugwe be ni shuwe na do dere ama hegbo ma bugwe ekene those that matters in ana I recognize the no sa ge so we tornado because we mh bichi kon we ya wujo bonedo state o we vi oge mo tornado what's no salo bo ave ni ka o kiana bo we you we what's ne kiana you do gbe wa aoko wo giasun what's ne kiana do gbo obi emi wo giasun because ige mo tornado o wo kan ya dele 640 dele na 40 vio euro ige mo tornado because get o da fun weje ojugbo o tojogo get o ya be agwala logo no kan se amajo ige mo tornado ga lo ige mo tornado ga lo re di mo fi o ya dele 640 dele 440 vio euro iwa ya je 1840 ebu we ye na 40 vio na 40 euro ehueru well ene 40 ni ne kwe do tomu we nye because ige mo tornado ya do igo no that one when me e sentro ya de godi ni e ba sa we va mi oye logo ba gbon o we do la dian do message gi me no we agan no pe nu ne gi agbe o wa eva ho wa ba masun o wa eva ho wa ba masun o wa eva le o han ne deri ori o wa eva o wa ugbebo su gene nu we gbe nu ye uye ko tornado re ana we o be zeye ebu we worst ise we gbe we de agbe we have blind people so no le lo we be ba yin te mata ma we that is the problem no we ni nu we ya ko tornado re we de gbe fi ma na gbon you ma de gbe fi ma because nu ju nu we ta logo we nu ju nu we ta o logo we ma de ga gbon we de ne na there is ni no obokun we ye zo you ohun ne ke ana ade it is we Abraham mi ni yerukun ogo ni it is we be there say eneni go yanu wa mi ai no de ti 40 ke wa ya zese ofo wa ya zese ofo we ki me we denu we su ni me be rubbish e dere we alo we lavi e denu we su ni me vivo ruta we ehun mi na ebi no le rebugbe e dere wa lo we lavi e zero o wa lo we lavi ke nu we gi ari e ba ke ya iyan je ni pa be ba nonsense we nu we uri azun we ni ofin no gazin ohun ofin azin we ni nonsense wa ta le ko en le ran vidi kian wa ameme gbo won wo iwa gbonde wa gbe wo wa he ko we ki sokan wo kan wa gbe wo wa he ve no wa je na sisu lo underground ne no ayari e ari o tornado we are waiting not